Sino sila? Sino po sila? Kailangan po namin ng sagot.
Okay.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Concert Director ng SB19 na si Paulo Valenciano natawa sa SB19 dahil ginawang Lego ang Mahalima or The King of P-Pop. Narito ang video.
Sino sila? Sino po sila? Kailangan po namin ng sagot.
Okay.
Sino si Darth Vader?
So that's Ken. That's Stel. That's Justin. That's Pablo. And that's Josh. Now you know. Sabi nila, ba't daw ito si Pablo? Actually, internally, yung prod namin, they were saying, ba't yan si Pablo? Eh, di ba ganun nga yung album art na before na may parang Venom face siya? So, ayun. So now you guys know. To be honest, those are my daughter's Legos eh. Eh, ganun kasi yung stage na we have a well, you're gonna see it maybe after this weekend once the show's done. But we built a scale model ng stage na scale to Lego. So pag tinayo mo yung Lego doon, it's the actual, ganun yung size ng tao, ganun yung size nila in the stage. And the stage is, kung ganyan Lego siya, it's from here all the way to if it's a simple stage, usually we won't anymore do it. But for Papa Joe, for Regine, for my dad, yung mga very complex stage designs, we'll build a scale model, and then that's how we kind of like work on the blocking, line of sight. For example, yung mga restricted view, doon namin na titignan namin from here, para makita namin kung ano yung magiging problema. So that before they build it, na-ano na namin siya, na-address na namin siya.
Start ko lang muna siya sa ano.
Itong Lego pieces, I just grab Lego, titignan namin yung 5. Okay, this is Josh, this is Ken, this is Pablo, this is ano. So, yun. Now you guys know.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.